Alright, how to change the spur gear on a Traxxas Revo 2.0, the quick version, since whatever. Take the cover off. Take your motor attaching screw thingy out. Take those 4 large screws out. Center diff comes out loose enough you can flip this out of the way. Can't do it with one hand, but you flip the motor up and wiggle this enough to get your spur gear off. Obviously, after you take the 3 screws out with your included thingy. That's the easy way. It does take a little finagling to get the spur between the cush hub and the speed controller, but I was able to get mine through there. So the reason I'm doing this is because factory install pinion position left me with that. I hope that helps somebody on their Revo 2.0 spur gear swap. That's how I did mine.